Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to on Reddit, how to download any image or of course work just the same for video. Especially if you're looking or seeking wallpapers and you do not know how to download them from Reddit. All right, so if you have searched for wallpapers, for example, and you need to download them to your device, I'm going to show you to do that on Reddit in case you do not know how. This will work the same or similarly on iPhones as well as for your Samsung devices. It's a Samsung device, by the way. So of course, go ahead and open Reddit. Here I have a wallpaper. I've searched for a specific set of wallpapers. You could also find them in your feeds depending on what you've been searching for. So let's say, for example, I found this one and this is the wallpaper. What I'm going to do from here is to go ahead and you're going to, once you select the image, remember if you scroll to your left here, you'll see other wallpapers. So simply tap the three dots. And once you do, you'll see this screen here. It's not the save option in case that's what you've been selecting. It's the download option. So go ahead and hit download. And of course, it says image downloaded. And it's as simple as that. So now all you got to do is go to your gallery. Right, so this is my gallery. And inside of my gallery, you can actually see the wallpapers that I have downloaded. So these are downloaded and you can actually use them now as your wallpaper by going ahead and setting them as wallpaper. If it's a wallpaper, if it's a video, you can go ahead and play it. That's how you do it on your device. So that was helpful in terms of Reddit and you downloading images or videos. See you in the next one. Bye.